Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you watch this. Hey everyone, Cybercheck's here. Happy Friday. It's the beginning of a new year soon. I hope everyone has a good New Year's Eve. I wanted to have this stream today, just kind of try a few things out. I am trying to do multicasting, so hopefully the quality is okay. If you could just let me know, that'd be great. I'm streaming on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time, so kind of see how my internet connection handles this. Kind of have a good agenda today. First of all, I just want to say thanks for joining. Appreciate if you like my content, you follow, you subscribe, like and comment, tell me what you want to see. I'm here to help you out. So the other thing I want to mention is that I also have a few startup companies. One of them is called OG InfoSec. It's a clothing brand, and what we're offering today is a discount, 5% off for all of 2024 if you use code CyberChecks on their website. I'll go ahead and pull it up here. You can kind of take a look at it with me. So it's oginfosec.com or just ogmike.com works also. But out here you have kind of what we represent. You put in a lot of the effort, you should be rewarded for it. So we have our tagline as Rep Your XP, kind of tying it back into the gaming industry. So we have all different types of products. We have hats, hoodies, of course, cups, polo shirts, all different things. So if you want to take a look at it, that'd be awesome. And use code CyberChecks for the discount. So what else we got planned for today is, let me take a look at the agenda. So what we want to do is take a look into HackMyVM. I'm not sure if too many people know about this capture the flag type website. So I wanted to kind of show that to folks and kind of see what their thoughts of it are and kind of walk through some of those challenges that they have. Let me go ahead and just pull up my screen here. So it's kind of what you see when you first log in. Let me open up the screen a little bit more here for you. It is a .eu site, so I'm thinking it's Europe based. I'm not too sure. So it's HackMyVM, Stop Crying, We Are Here, Get Started, and then they have a manifesto. It's kind of interesting to read through, kind of see what they're all about. So I went ahead and you can do it anonymous too if you didn't want to create an account and you just wanted to download the VMs. You could do that, or you could just log in, create an account and log in, which I did because they do have some cool recordings that they do. Like you can put in the flags and you can kind of get into the leaderboard and kind of see where things are at. So as you log in, you can see it looks like they release new VMs maybe on like a weekly basis from what I'm seeing so far, but they have over 230 VMs. You can see all the people that are registered, the challenges, the write-ups. It's just really well put together. I just stumbled upon this not too long ago and just started downloading some of the machines. So all you do is kind of go in here and you can search by what types of machines you want. You can even search by the tags. So if you wanted to focus on brute forcing, or you wanted to focus on just any of these, I think, command injections, SQL injections. There's just so many options here you can kind of look at. So I went ahead before the stream and I downloaded a few of them just so I was ready to go and kind of walk through some of these with you guys. And I wanted to spend today a little bit more about the numeration process and really trying to identify where is the potential avenue for an attack and what are some of the things you can do to kind of mitigate that in the future if you're in the on the defensive side of cybersecurity. So what I'll do is let me go ahead and pop open the VM. Now I just use VirtualBox, and if you're new to doing VMs on your machine, I have a quick walkthrough on my YouTube channel. It kind of goes over a link to where you can go through all the steps to set up your own internal network. As you can kind of see here, I have a whole lot of VMs that some of the CTFs I've done, some of them are in progress, some of them haven't started yet. And now I still have two different VMs actually I have three for my attack machines. And the reason why you should at least have two is one should be connected to the internet. This would be the one that you're doing challenges that require internet connection. But a lot of the VMs you download, it's not that bad, but I don't trust them to connect my machine to the internet. So I created an internal version, which is locked out from the internet. So I created my own network. You basically go in underneath your network and change it to internal network. So like I said, I have a link on my YouTube channel. It kind of shows you how to go about that and set that all up. But yeah, you just go to create your own naming convention here, and just make sure that every time you import a VM box from like Volnet or HackMyVM, just go here and change the internal network and put in your internal network name. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin up my internal machine, and then I'll spin up one of these Hack the Box machines. So I think from the Hack My VM, I'm going to ignore the done ones, but the not started one. So I downloaded a few. So I have one called Doc. I'm just going to start it up and take a look at it. And while that's spinning up, I'll log into my tech machine here. All right, what I typically do then also is just create a folder for whatever box I'm working on. So this one's going to be called Doc. And I just create an accounts file to store usernames and passwords that I find throughout the process. And I usually do an output of nmap right away to kind of see what services there are, and I can always go back and check it out so I don't have to keep running it over and over again. So first thing I need to do is kind of see what IP address that this virtual box is on. And I'm pretty sure I know which one it is because what happens is they usually do sequential order when you start loading them into your virtual box. So let's see here. I think I'm on 37 or 38. Let's try 38. Nope, must be 39 already. Yep, there we go. Got a ping back now. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do an nmap. And since I own the machine, I don't really worry about, how fast this runs or how aggressive this is. But, in the real world, you definitely want to be careful and not run this against, a certain company that didn't give you the authority to do this. It will just trigger a whole bunch of alerts, and it's not a good thing to do. So what I typically do is I'll just run all ports because it's my machine. So there's about 65,000 machines. And then I'll just run a script scan and a version just to see what's running on these ports that it finds. So I'll go ahead and tee that out to a text file so I can go back and look at it later if I need to. And usually what I do at the same time is, since I'm kind of already done this before, is I know there'll probably be a web server. So what I typically do is I just go ahead and update my host file, and out here I'll just put in the IP address. And the name of it, I'll just call it doc HMV, and we'll save that. All right, so let's take a look at this scan results here. So it looks like it only found port 80. Connection. Okay, so all right, well, let's just see what's out there. So let's go to our website here. Let's just pull this up. Doc. Okay, online traffic offense management system. Nice. Not much to it. Is, since I'm kind of fishing now, is I'm going to go ahead and run a scan, scan to see if there's any files that my word list can find faster than I could probably find it. So let me do. So I use this tool called GoBuster. There's a lot of other tools out there. It's just my preference, just because it's usually pretty quick to run. And it looks like we're running into some stuff here. So let me close out of this screen over here. Or so it looks like there's an uploads. Well, these are status 301. So usually what that means is they might not be able to access them. But, you know, let's just see. probably have to be registered. Yeah, forbidden. So that typically means that you have to get access to the admin portal before you can get into these folders here. Okay, and let's just see if we can see any information in the, see what type of management system this is. Sometimes there's some exploits. If it's kind of a smaller program that they put together. It's like they have some JavaScript and stuff in here, PHP. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just take a look at it. So it looks like they have a plugins folder, some CSV. Let's just go to plugins ones. Maybe that's kind of open. Nope, forbidden. All right, so let's see, what can we do next? Well, I'm guessing I just want, let me run the port scan again with one more. I kind of feel like there might be something else open that we missed. Maybe it was too an aggressive port scan. Let me just do a regular scan real quick. Nope, that's the only one. Well, about us, okay. Looks like we have an email address here. Let's kind of look and see if this, maybe there's some open source code here that we can see if there is a exploit for. So let me just open a new window up here. So it looks like there's a lot of different systems that this person has in here. So let's take a look at their repositories. So this is a, what kind of system is this? Online traffic offense management system. Okay. Let me just try researching this. Some of this stuff I have to use my internet connection on my other PC because obviously I'm removed myself from the internet on this one that I'm attacking, or my attack machine. So that's why I'm kind of bouncing back and forth. All right, so online traffic offense management system. It looks like there is some vulnerabilities, maybe. Yeah, right here. Okay, let's take a look. Online traffic offense management system 1.0, remote code execution authenticated. Ooh, this could be our This could be what we could be looking at here. File upload from mpeg user. So what we can do is let's copy this. Let's just copy this and create, it looks like I gotta create a, this is Python. Print, yeah, Python. So let's just copy this over. I don't know, this is version 1, but what version is this? Let's say. Doesn't really say, let's just try it out and see if it works. Copy, and we're going to go into our folder. And let's just create a file. Let's exploit.py. Paste this in. Okay, looks like we can paste it. That's good. So let's see. We might have an issue. Well, let's just try. See if there's any instructions in here. Example. So you just run exploit and then probably the website address. And it gives you a shell, it looks like. Well, let's try it. See if it works. That'd be easy if it was. Let's take a look. So let's open up a new terminal. And let's just go Python exploit and then HTTP doc.mv. Okay, didn't like 62. It could be because between the versions of Python, there's like the print statements are different. So we just go to line 62 and see what we got here. So yeah, I don't know if I can change this to run just regular Python. I don't know if it'll work or not. No, still gives me that error. All right, well, looks like I'm gonna have to go through here and change this. So hopefully there's not too many prints, but 11 of them. See, that one has the brackets, so why did it catch that one? Well, let's just go through here and edit real quick, see if that will fix the problem. I'm still kind of learning Python. I kind of have a good idea of how it works, but once you learn one language, it's easy just to kind of adapt to the other ones. And Python's so user-friendly from just syntax perspective. I could see why everyone's trying to use it. So 108. Yeah, one more here. Print. Let's see, did I catch them all? Yep. Okay, so it says track, okay, file, blah, 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 exploit line 57. Name raw input is not defined. Okay, so let's go to 57. Okay, maybe I gotta type in. Wish I'd give you a better example of how this should be typed. I gotta put in this maybe. Well, this is, like I said, I'm not really that much into Python right now, but let me see here. What if I just put I just put the website address in here so I don't have to, maybe that's what I gotta do. HTTP doc dot let's try that once and see if that works. Kind of hard coded in there. What's it not defined? Raw input not defined. What is raw input? Okay, it doesn't like string, so I don't know, is it 0? No. Struggle a little bit here. What this should be. What if I just put nothing? Just put this once. No. It's so weird. URL. Let's see if I can find another example of this. That's been, so this is back in 2021. So let me see if I can find something newer. Google Docs. Okay, here's, it looks like there's a GitHub here. Let's see here. So this was 3 weeks ago. Okay, so this is probably gonna work. So let's take a look at the code here. Doesn't look like he changed much. Look like it asks for URL, we give it a target, that's what worked, but when we entered the command such ID, code exploded there, this we do. All right, so this one looks like it's a little better coded. So let me just copy and change it over. Select all. Oh, now I gotta go through and edit this again. Okay, come on, please work. Let's see. No, so it doesn't want this. Raw input is not defined. Well, it should be defined. I gotta put it up here maybe. Define. Raw input equals, let's just do that and see. The object is not callable. It's a string, that's why. It's a text. What is this supposed to be? So URL, I don't know, it doesn't like raw input for some reason. I think that's maybe that's gotta be imported from something. Let's say raw input, not defined. So when you try to fix a stereo, replace all instance of raw output with input function. Oh, we just got to change it to input. Google's great. Just so easy to learn. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. URL. Okay, I thought I did, but doc.hmv. Oh, okay, let's see. Is this actually doing anything? Nope. Command raw input. Okay, so we gotta change this raw input again. All right. Raw input. Okay, should be the last one. Okay, let's try this again. Can we make this work? Bypass, upload, exploit. Ooh, looks like I got a shell. Who am I? Question mark? Hello? Okay, well, it's not coming up with anything. Maybe I have to do... Oh, whoa. Okay, I got some connection error. Looks like feedback with Okay, maybe this is why that guy said, or this person said that it blew up. It's probably we need to give it a target URL port. If you're gonna give it part of this user directly from the terminal, I'll catch errors and try this. So assuming this is this is target URL port, so I gotta put 80 in there. All right, let's try that and see if that works. Still got error. Failed to parse. Oh, okay. So maybe it doesn't like when I put it in here. Let me try this once. Nope. Python 2. Fail is syntax. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. It's a lot of trial and error here, that's all. Don't like that either. Failed to parse. Why is it putting it in there twice? So that was string exceptions failed to parse. What if we just do this once? Copy. That didn't work. Okay, so we can do this. So it's just not giving me a shell, but I can do a reverse shell from here. I should be able to. Let's just see what else we can do here. Let's try cat. Let's see password. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So at least I can get some information here. It looks like we got Bella account. I think that's, we have www data, obviously. So let me just write down these account names real quick. So at least we know what name we could use. So Bella, all right. So somehow we're gonna have to try to get a reverse shell here. So let me see if I can do that with this. Let me Google one-liner. All right, so I'm gonna put in it already has my address in here. Okay, I'll do 444. And then I think I want to try netcat. I think netcat might work. Let's try this. And a lot of this is just trial and error. I mean, I'm gonna have to set up the listener real quick. Open terminal here and see 444. All right, so let's see if we can get a remote connection here. There we go. Oh, connected, but it didn't stay connected. Okay, that didn't work. Try another one, maybe. Let's try this once. That didn't work. Sometimes you gotta encode it too, but yeah, don't do anything. Well, let's just try. Okay, so let's take a look at what's so yeah, we can get, it looks like we can get access to the flag from here. So we can cat that. Oh, user.text. Okay, that didn't display anything. Type maybe. No. Let me view that. That's weird, it didn't work. Will. Could be an access thing. Yeah, probably have to be logged in as Bella. Somehow have to get Bella's. Maybe SSH, maybe. Yeah, I don't see anything in here. Let's just go and look at everything in here. Well, we can actually, what we could do is see if we can get some credentials from the database. So I think that was in somewhere in here. HTML traffic offense. Okay, there's a config file, looks like right there. So let's see if we can get into it. PHP, we gotta change this to a cat. Oh, not found. Well, surprised it doesn't let me cat it though. Oh, okay. Okay, for some reason this cat is not working. There are other commands besides cat. Okay. X alternative to cat. Use bat. Stick with this. I don't know if they have bat on this system, but try. Oh, I gotta put config.php. Let's try bat. Nope, that didn't work. Oh, it came back, but then it changed. Oh, okay. So what if we did, okay, so, okay, how can we see that? Let's look at, let's try curl once and see if that works. Curl, illegal URL, missing bat format. Am I doing this right? Curl. Just missing the HHP. Oh, don't like that either. Oh. All right, we'll try one other thing here. I think I could get this information by using Burp Suite. Let me try Burp Suite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my proxy. As soon as this starts up, we're going to see if I can get some information here. Proxy. Let's run this once and see. Okay, so it's running. Okay, get, and then we're going to forward this. Send this to repeater real quick. So send. Okay, it looks like. Okay, so it looks like the credentials are maybe DB connection. Sometimes, I mean, usually they just put them in because it depends on the system, but usually they put them right in the config. So this must be put it in DB connection. So let's try, see if we can do that. So that was classes, and then DB connection. Okay, let me go back to proxy. Oh, let's just drop this. Oh, missed that. Okay. Peter. Let's see if we can get anything. Oh, geez. Okay. Cannot connect to the database server. Prior once initialize.php. Okay. Wow, they're really making this difficult here. Okay, so where is that? Stop burp. Let's just see if we can find this first. Let's back a couple. So we're looking for initialize.php. Oh, it's right here. Okay, we're gonna do another cat on that. Let's see if I can just see it right from here. Yep, okay. Wow, there's a lot of digging into, but finally got to it. Okay, so here we go. Developer last name, username, dev.orma or underscore, and this is the password. We got a whole bunch of stuff here. Okay, so we got username, Bella, DB password, Bella YTU. All right, so let me see. Well, they don't have SSH active on here, so I can't do that. I really got to get that remote connection going, I think. But at least I have the username and password for the database behind the scenes, if that helps. Maybe they use the same password for other things. All right, let me go ahead and put that in the account here. So this is going to be, I think, a DB creds. And then there's another one here. So this is a dev one. I'm not sure. This might be for, they're actually the website. So let me try and see if I can get to the website here from here. Online management system. right, let me go back and see if I can get into their website here now. Log in. So let's try that. Dev ORETNOM. Let's paste this in. Nope, didn't work. All right, let's just try Bella once and see if that one works. Nope, that didn't work either. All right, well, that one's not the way in. I still think we gotta get a remote shell here. The only thing that's open is port 80. And the netcat connected, but then it disconnected. There's gotta be another command I could try. Let's see. What do they have? Let's see, try this again. Oh, I might be able to just to get a file and upload it also. Let's just try one more one-liner here. I don't know if this will work or not, but let's try it. I think maybe it was just a bad connection. Let's see. Yeah, see, it connects and then it disconnects. Is that even an option? I don't know. Oh, crap. No, this disconnects. Well, let's see here. Try this one. I don't know, just trial and error, I guess. Until it wants to stay connected. Maybe it won't even stay connected, I'm not sure. Ooh. Stay connected. ID. Hey, we got connected. All right, so now let's see if I can get the shell, more of a stable shell here. Feeling better about this now. That didn't work. Well, maybe we can do enough here and we can see if we can do. No, there's no SSH on here. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back and try to see how we can get into root from here. So, be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, let's see. All right, so now we can do things here a little easier now that we don't have to go through that URL. So before, so it looks like it's a drivers folder. Let's see here. So we're getting the uploads folder. All right, let's just go back to home. All right, so pretty sure it's just Bella. Let me see what else they got. Yeah, Bella. Switch user to Bella. Oh, I don't have the BTY. Oh, I got Bella now. Okay. All right, so that's good. So let's take a look in Bella's folder. See if we can cat this. There we go. Got the user flag. So that one was interesting. Actually, I'm glad I was able to get through this and not use a walkthrough. So that's positive for me here. Let's see here, flags. Real question is if I'm able to get root without walkthrough. Let's see here, flags, user flag. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it has sudo privileges on user bin doc. Okay, so there's probably a way to get out and use doc. So let's go to see what is doc. Was that Docker? No. It must be just a copy of something. Oh, it's just maybe documentation. No, it's not. Doc. Well, let's just try running it, I guess. So sudo how do we do this? Switch, no. Just gonna run /bin/doc. Server ready. Okay. Oh. Q. What am I? Okay. So localhost 7898 or 7890. Let me see. I think I'm just gonna try to run some script to see if I can find something better here. I don't know if I can cat that. I don't know. Looks like it's just creating. With a browser. Let me try to run it again with the browser. B server. Not really sure what is going on here. So weird. Never run into this before. So let's just try something else. Sudo user /bin/doc execute bin/bash. No, it didn't like that. A cat. Sorry about that. It looks like my stream cut out. All right, so let's see here. Where was I? All right, so I think what I'm gonna try to do, so I got access to the user account, so now I need to get root access. So I think there's something to do with the sudo account. I'm just not sure what this really does. It might be some Docker thing, but let's try. Well, let me try something else. All right, so I'm gonna upload linpeas, I think, here and run it and see if I can find anything. So let me start up server. Okay, let's see if I remember how to do this. wget DHCP 38.1.2 edps.sh. There we go. Okay, change mod, sex. All right, so let's run this and see if it gives me anything good. Open this up a little bit. What's this video? Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, looks like we got a CVE. Could probably run. Let's just take a look at this and see what it is. This is vulnerability, blah, blah, blah. Let's look for the GitHub. Current, let's say local privilege escalation. Dirty pipe. Okay. Well, let's see. I think I tried this one. Not this machine, but I think that I did a similar one. So we just got to get the code over and then compile it. Let's see. What is this compiled or not? Let's copy that. So many screens open, I know. Terminal here. Let's just actually go back. This might be it right here. Let's just do a new one. Create document. CVE. See. All right, let's upload this and see if we can compile it. CVE 2022 8.047.c. And this is called the same thing. Okay, so it's there now. I always forget how to do this. Compile it. Sorry, everyone. I'm not really sure why I keep getting disconnected, but thanks for coming back or sticking around if you are. So I'm still kind of working through trying to get root access to this machine. I lost my connection for the machine. Now I'm just trying to figure out, okay, what were the steps I took to get the user account, and I didn't write down what I should have wrote down. So let's see here. I had to go back and get, that's what I did. I had to go back and get the initialization. I deleted that. Let's see if I can just do it from here. Okay, so list cd or cat initialization php. Okay, this is where I got some accounts. I thought I saved them, but I guess I didn't. But anyways, so I'm just gonna copy these in case I need them, but I don't think I do anymore. Let's see here. Bella. This is a database username password, so it might not do me good, but I think what I was able to do was switch my user to Bella from here. So who am I? www.data, switch user to Bella. Password. It's right here. Okay, who am I? You're Bella now. So that's how I got Bella. So now what I need to do is get this shell thing working again here. Let that work. Well, yeah, this one didn't work either. Oh, there we go. Okay, Python 3. All right, so let's try this again. So cd of, okay, here's my exploit here. You have to compile it from what I did before. So go back to where the steps were. I don't see it. Maybe I closed it already. All right, well, let's just look this up again. All right, so you just got to run these commands. I think last time I copy and paste it kicked me out, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna move it over my other screen. All right, let's try copying this. Slash. Okay, then we'll do GCC CVE 2022. I'll put that into, say, exploit. Cannot execute CC1, no such file directory. So I don't have GCC on here. Input files, I do have it. Why didn't that work? GCC CVE. Oh, did I change mod on there? Let's try that. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but no such file directory. Okay, well, What's going on here? See if I get some better command here. Let me just write this and see if this will work. Well, I can't get it into this machine because I don't have an internet connection, so I gotta transfer it over. Oops. But why is it doing that? It doesn't make sense. They don't have a file. They renamed the file name. All right, let me try something else. Oh, I can already. Okay, so I could just do the already downloaded binary. I can't do that. Let's see here. What do I get this over? All right, so I should have it now over tools, Kelly files. Okay, I just got to put it on my machine here. Inludes. Okay, there it is. All right. Okay, so we don't really need that one anymore. Here's my connection. All right, so I think I still have my HTTP. Yeah. All right. So let's get this file. Get HTTP 1.0 ed slash I gotta move this over to tools. Copy tools. All right, let's try it. Let's see. How do we, okay. Do we run this? Oh, okay. Bingo. Version is vulnerable. Success. Now log in as root and password. Password? Well, I didn't spell it right. Let's try this again. Password. Root. Hey, did it. Okay, obviously I'm root, so let's do slash, let's see what's there. Let's see root. And there's the file. There we go. Completed this box on HackMyVM. Again, it's one of those things you want to go check out. If you haven't checked out, it's a pretty good site. Let me pull it up one more time in case you missed the beginning of the stream. But if you go, just open up another browser window here. So if you log in, let me just log in real quick. And then look for the machine that you want to play. And you can sort by the difficulty, and you can put tags and kind of see what do you want to focus on. And this machine was called Doc. So pull this up, and this is where you can submit the flags that you found. So I found 2 of them, so I'm going to put them in here. So root. So I'm going to take both of these and then submit them. And it's another like tracking system, just like try hack the box. You can kind of see and kind of go up the leaderboard if you want to. So I submit that one, correct flag, submitted, congrats. And then now you can put on the root one. There we go. That was completed. You can kind of see down here, logs, subjects got user, subjects got root. But yeah, it's a pretty good interface. I mean, it's pretty user friendly. Like I said, they update. It looks like they create a new box about every week or so. They have 230 of them, and you can select what you're looking for. They actually have also some challenges, which is pretty fun. So you can do different types of cyber skills that you want to work on. The HVM labs, I started working on this. It's actually pretty good. It kind of tells you kind of go through and connect, and there's like 50 challenges within this one machine. and then you kind of submit a flag, and you basically move on to the next user on the machine. And a lot of them are like commands where you have to learn how to use kind of some basic commands, like the find command you use a lot. You look at some of the password cracking tools and stuff. So it's actually a pretty good progression along the way. So yeah, this is kind of hack my VM site. I would recommend it if you're looking for something new that, besides try Hack Me, Hack the Box. This is very similar to like VulnHub. This is just a little more user friendly and more up to date than VulnHub. A lot of the machines on VulnHub are, many years old. They're still good. They're just, some of these are newer exploits. So, yeah, I'd recommend taking a look at it. And I think I'm about to close the stream pretty soon here. Let me just take a look and see here what else we had going on. Yeah, I kind of showed you the numerations that we did today on that doc machine. Yeah, I mean, the challenges, like I said, the challenges were within the HackMyVM Python project. I might sign on later today and stream that, but basically I have a project where it's a Python script where coded in Python, obviously, but it allows you to download all the VPN configuration files, kind of manage them in more of a user-friendly format. So you can go check that out. I have a video on my YouTube channel, kind of shows you how the steps to go out and install that. It's also underneath my GitHub repository and Cyberchecks. So yeah, like I said, thanks for joining me. Sorry I'm having some stream troubles. I'm supposed to get a new PC this weekend, so hopefully next time I stream, hopefully I won't have any connection issues. So I'm still trying to kind of work that out a little bit. Again, also, please visit my socials, connect with me. Also, if you wanted to get some merchandise, oginfosec.com or ogmike.com, we're offering a 5% off. It's a code with Cyberchecks as the code. They have some cool gear for, cybersecurity, infosec, technology, golfing, anything you can think of. So yeah, that kind of completes the stream for today. Appreciate you taking a look at it. Just like and comment, continue to follow. I'll try to stream, weekly at least, post some videos out on YouTube. So yeah, have a good day.